Tired of the headache that comes with managing inventory across multiple WooCommerce stores? Meet the all-new multi-store sync for FlexStock. Introducing cross-store sync. All your web shops are interconnected. Update your inventory on one site, and the rest mirror it instantly. Never worry about overselling again. The second an item sells anywhere, your entire retail network adapts. Stay in control of every update. Assign a source store. Select your product preferences. Then generate a store token. Copy the store token and paste it into your destination store. Now verify the connection, and your stores will start syncing your preferred products with each other instantly. Whether you're managing retail and wholesale stores, warehouse networks, regional storefronts, multiple brands, agency clients, or dealer networks, multi-store sync adapts to your workflow. Multi-store sync for FlexStock. Get started today. It's time to ditch the tab hopping.